Hello guys, in today's video we are going to learn how to set a home page in Mozilla Firefox browser. Open up Firefox browser in your PC, then you open up the page you want to set as an home page. The site you want to set as an home page. Now, you copy the URL here, Ctrl plus C. Once that is done, you click on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen to open up the menu. Select Settings, then you click on the Home tab at the left hand side of the screen. In the Home page and New Windows, click on the small drop down arrow beside and select Custom URLs. Then you paste in the copied URL or you type in a specific home page. Now let's paste in. Now you close the window and Firefox will automatically save the changes. You can see it has been saved. Now, when you close the window and open up your Firefox again, it will come up with your newly set home page. Firefox has automatically set the changes. That's it guys, you have successfully set a home page in Mozilla Firefox. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Bye, see you in the next video.